Hello viewers, hope you all are doing well. So our today topic is what is YouTube SEO. So let's get started. So before you learn what is YouTube SEO, it is important to take a few steps back and understand what is SEO. Search engine optimization is the set of strategies for optimizing the user experience that aims to improve a page position on search engine. It encompasses programming design, content production and the relationship with other sites so that search engine considers that page is the best result for what user looking for. Therefore, the SEO optimization that you make for YouTube not only apply to the search within the platform, but also to complete for the space in Google search. The 11 best tips for YouTube SEO. Number 1 is conduct keywords research first. Number 2 is choose keyword with good reach potential. Number 3 is use a good video title. Number 4 is add tags to the videos. Number 5 is write smart descriptions. Number 6 is edit the file name. Number 7 is create transcriptions and captions for the videos. Number 8 is make longer videos. Number 9 is increase CTR in search result. Number 10 is increase audience engagement. And at last, number 11 is promote the channel and the videos. So hope you all clearly understand about YouTube SEO. So like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.